Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are very fine at home. I am also very fine. I do not take a class for 3 or 5 days. Today, I will take a class for class 10. So, welcome all the students of class 10. I am MD Jahangir Alam, Assistant Teacher, Shiromani Secondary School. Now, dear student, sit down, taking your khata, pen, and try your best to understand what I have discussed or I am discussing with you. Dear student, in the meantime, before this class, I have discussed what is tag questions and the practical use of tag questions, how to change tag questions in with you. Now, dear student, today we also discuss on tag questions. Let's go our main discussion. You know, some words are always plural. Some words are always plural. When that words are used as subject of the sentence, the subject of the tag questions must be they. You see what I have written on whiteboard. Some words are always plural, so the subject of tag questions will be they. You write down on your khata. The words are aristocracy, gentry, nobility, cattle, peasantry, poultry, majority, tenantry, perfumery, artillery, vermin, people, public, mankind, clergy, and government. There, all the words are plural, and you see, I am writing a few examples. Suppose aristocracy, the aristocracy, aristocracy, help the poor. You see, aristocracy is the subject of the sentence, and here is no auxiliary verb. So, as auxiliary verb, you should take did, and sentence is affirmative. So, the tag questions will be negative. The tag will be didn't they. The aristocracy had the poor. The tag questions will be didn't they. You see another example. Poultry are useful for health. The tag will be, after written the sentence, you have to use a comma, and the tag will be around they. You see, this subject is poultry. If you do not know the words that I have written as plural, you never understand in the exam hall or another exam or another portion when you read. You don't know the words as they are plural. You never change the tag questions as they, as subject they. So you must memorize the word that I have written. I hope you understand it. Now dear student, let's go another rules. Do you know some words are always masculine? Some words are always masculine. You write down the words. I am writing the sun, summer, date, winter, or thunder, anger, love, fear, etc. Some words are always as masculine. So when these words are used as subject of the sentence, the subject of the tag persons must be he. So you must remember it and try to memorize it. Suppose the example you see, the sun rises in the east. The tag will be doesn't he. Another example, death must come to us. The tag questions will be mustn't he. So the subject is the sun, the subject is the dead. So the tag questions at first doesn't he and mustn't he, and the subject is masculine, singular masculine he. So you must remember the word what I have written because they are exceptional. Now dear student, let's go in another rules. You know some words are always used as feminine. Do you know? And if you do not know, you write down in your khata the first, the moon, the name of the rivers, motherland, earth, the earth, ocean, any place that grows something, Beside this, liberty, peace, nature, mercy, truth, justice, sheep, railway, plane, country. Now dear student, you must write down the words what I have written because these words are used as feminine when they are used in the sentence. And if these words are used as subject of the sentence, the subject of the tag must be she. I hope you understand what I want to say to you, and I am giving some example. You write down the moon. The moon shines at night. The tag will be doesn't she. Here she is used as the subject is moon. You see the another example. The Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal abounds with hilsa. So the tag questions will be doesn't she. Here she is used because this subject is the Bay of Bengal. It's the ocean, the Bay of Bengal. In this way, the words are used. Suppose the earth moves around the sun. Doesn't she? Select brews a lot of tea. Doesn't she? In our motherland is the darling sight of nature. Isn't she? In such way, we can say truth is beautiful. We write isn't she? Plane is going on. Isn't she? Ship, the Titanic sank in the Atlantic Ocean. Isn't she? The Titanic sank in the ocean. Didn't she? Sorry. Now, dear student, you have already understand what I want to say as the rules of tag questions. Now, dear student, let's go another rules. And if you have any problem, you may communicate with me. Now, dear student, some words are always mathematics, physics, innings, economics, news, ethics, optics, wages, gallows, etc. Dear student, I have written some words that at the end of the words you find s. Some words are used as singular, though at the end of the words you find s, but they are always singular. So the subject of the tag questions will be it. Suppose physics is my interest subject. Physics is my interest subject. Interesting subject. So the tag questions is isn't it. Another example, the news is published. The news is published. So the tag questions will be isn't it. I hope you understand it clearly what I want to say. In this, accordingly, if I say the mathematics is my favorite subject, then isn't it? Economics is my favorite subject, isn't it? Ethics is good for us, isn't it? Optics is also used for us, isn't it? And gallows are used for us, that isn't it? Because all the words are always singular. Now, dear student, do you know what is imperative sentence? The characteristics of imperative sentence I have discussed with you before this class, so I do not discuss the characteristics of imperative sentence. Today I will tell only how to we change the tag questions. All the imperative sentence, the tag questions is will be or will be will you. The tag questions of the imperative sentence will be will you. Suppose write a letter. The tag will be will you. In this way, never tell a lie, never tell a lie. The tag questions will be will you. Now, dear student, only you should remember, you will remember let plus us. When you see let plus us, the tag will be shall we. You see, let us play ball. The tag questions will be shall we. So, except let plus us, all the tag questions will be will you. Only when you find let plus us, the tag will be shall we. I hope you understand it. Now, dear student, the plus adjective. The plus, when you say the plus adjective, the tag will be the plus adjective equal plural noun. You say the poor eat from hands to mouth. The tag will be don't they, because the plus adjective gives you the plural common nouns. In this way, you see the brave shine in life. So the tag will be don't they, because the plus adjective means the brave means all the brave men of the earth. Now, dear student, if you find everybody, if you find of the sentence everybody, everyone, somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, or one, the tag, the subject of the tag will be they. You write the example, then everybody everybody is here. So the subject is they, and according to the subject the auxiliary verb must be used. Here is the finite verb. So the auxiliary verb of the tag questions is are, aren't they, because they is the plural subject of tag questions. So you should write aren't, because be verb is used here. In such a way you write everyone plays well in his own field. Here the tag will be, at first the subject is they, so according to the subject you should write the auxiliary verb don't they, because here though you find here is s used at the end of the verb, but you should write do as auxiliary verb, because your subject of tag is they. Okay. Now dear student, let's go another rules of tag questions. You know some words are always negative. The words are what are words? The words are scarcely, hardly, rarely, seldom, little, few, etc. When you see in the sentence, you may appreciate, you may apprehend that these are affirmative words, but exactly they are negative words. You should remember it. You see, he hardly comes to school. Comes to school. Hardly is the negative word. So here the tag will be does he. Okay. You see another example. Hardly means prana. You should remember it. All the words of the words that I have written, it gives you the negative sense, and the meaning is about prana. I have few friends. The tag will be do I or have I. You should not write don't I or haven't I. It will be do I or have I. Now dear student, when you see the tag questions, you know simple, complex and compound sentence. You know simple, complex and compound sentence. The tag questions of the complex sentence will be according to the principal clause. Okay. Let's discuss. Though Mina is beautiful. Everyone hates her. You see, this subordinate clause, though Mina is beautiful, but its principal clause is everyone hates her. Here The principal clause is everyone hates her and the subject is everyone. So the tag will be don't they, according to the principal clause. But when the subordinate clause is used as a subject of the sentence, the tag must be it. The subject of the tag must be it. You see, I am writing an example. What you learn is good for you. Now, dear student, what will be the tag questions? You see, the subject of is what you learned. It is the subject of is. So the tag will be isn't it. You see, another example, that you know is false. The tag will be is the subject of is, so the tag will be isn't it. In this field, you see there is no comma in the sentence. So when you find in this kind of sentence before the second verb, all are the subordinate clause, but all are the subject of is. Okay, it's the technique, but there are some exceptions rules. Dear student, when you see subject plus think, hope, know, remember, seem plus subordinate clause. যখন তোমরা when you say think, hope, know, remember, seem, but the subordinate clause starts after this verb, the tag will be according to the subordinate clause. You say, I think you are good. The tag will be aren't you. But there is a variation. When you see that after this verb, এই ভার্বগুলোর পরে যখন তোমরা that দেখবে, suppose I think that you are good, the tag will be according to the principal clause, or before the that you should make, but you should change the tag questions. Before that you find I think, according to I think you make tag questions. Don't I. Now dear student, if you have any problem, you may communicate with me. I will try my best to help you. And where you stay, you live good, and try your best to stay at home and try to maintain the social distance, wear mask, wash hands, and you motivate the other people, other person no more. Thank you.